a short summary video of our beginners solo ballroom tango practice routine number 5. I've just taught this in an online class, and that is 21st of July 2022. That's today. So if you're looking at my video live, you're looking for the full class, the 1 hour class on the 21st of July 22. Let me turn around and make a little start. As always, not going to be dance with music. Keep us out of trouble with the YouTube copyright, and I'm going to walk these steps through quite quickly. It is just a little memory aid. So, starting on the right hand side of your space, we did slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. We had some swivels, slow, slow, third swivel, slow, weight on the left foot, quick, promenade point, quick. We walk across for a promenade close, slow, quick, quick, slow. Adapted Spanish drag, adapted because I'm going to close my feet and I will not go on to the promenade point. Slow, slow, and slow. That's section 1. Section 2, finishing after that Spanish drag. I'm going to do an open reverse turn twice. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, closing my feet at the end. I then stepped forwards for 1 slow on the right foot, some little points, quick, quick, slow. I then look to that promenade point as I look towards my speaker, and I'm going to do what will be similar to the rock turns, and I'm going to do it forwards and back, so it'll be like the ladies and the gents timing. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and then a little closing step on a quick, quick, slow, which is similar to the ladies' reverse corte. Quick, quick, slow. Now, let me do the whole routine over again, all the way through with the count, and then the next time afterwards, I'll do it through, talking through the names of the steps. So this is just walking, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. This time I shall walk through and call out the names. This is just walking. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. 2-step swivels, or ochos as they would be called in the Argentine tango. Slow, slow. Third one, I'm going to collect and close. Slow, quick, quick, into a promenade point. Now, promenade close on followers timing, slow, quick, quick, slow. Adapted Spanish drag, slow, slow, and slow. Open reverse turn, followers timing, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Some little pointing section made up for the choreography for tonight. Slow, quick, quick, slow. And then the adapted rock turns done, first of all on leaders and then on followers. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and followers, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and the followers reverse corte, quick, quick, slow. There we go, guys. I hope you found that useful. That is beginners solo tango practice routine number 5. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.